Welcome student. Now discussing about molding process, sequence of molding process and different types of molding machine using the preparing of mold. First one, preparing of mold. Step by step sequence of mold preparing will be having like a step by step diagram also having. First, the select a suitable mold box which can accomplish the mold cavity. A riser and gating system will be selected. Next, place the drag half of the box on the molding board with the aligning pin pointing downward. Place the drag pattern which parting surface down on the bottom board like a diagram itself. The single the face sand all around the pattern carefully. Also, the pattern does not stick the molding sand. Fill the drag half with the molding sand and ram the sand uniformly in the molding box around the pattern. And excess metal will be packing sand will be removed. It will be struggled. The next it will be moving play. Next, the place the cope pattern on the drag pattern and align with the using of gudgeon pin line to place locator. The place hope half over the ram drag half. The struggle parting sand all around the hope pattern. The effect pure and riser pin to form suitable size cavity of molten metal puring. Will be using like a diagram and fill the hope box with sand and ram it. Removed pure and riser pin and vent the core with vent wire and sprinkle parting sand over the top of the core surface and roll over the hoop on the molding board. Remove both of the cope and drag pattern and repair the mold cavity if it is necessary itself. And cut the gate connecting the pure basin with the mold cavity. Apply the mold coating by the spray if it is necessary. It means it record set the core in means it will be set the core in the mold cavity itself. By investing cope over the drag close the mold it will. Finally, clamp the hoop with the drag and the mold is really the puring like it's a diagram itself. And different molding process having for floor molding, pit molding, bench molding, machine molding, having different types of molding process are available. And important molding machines molding will be having and different types of molding sand using for different molding types like a dry sand molding, loam sand molding and gated one. And molding machine will be using for making a mold for faster one and it will be in a step by step sequence of mold will be preparing. And next topic is molding machine. The molding machine is used for mass production. Since the hand molding is slow process, it can be only used for making a few castings. For producing more casting, the molding is done by using molding machine. It reduces the labor, but it is increase the quality of mold. The molding machine will do following operation: ramming the molding sand, wrapping the pattern and easy removal, removing the pattern from the sand. The different types of molding machines like jottling machine, sequencing machine and slant slicer. The jottling machine is used to 80 mm height and it will be sudden fall for the one adjoined material will be getting a on ramming. It is very short period of ramming. It will be producing the mold very fastest method and it will be using the sudden drop one. And squeezing machine it means either top or bottom method will be having, depends upon the applying force. Here applying force for gradually applying force, not a static load. Here gradually applied load will be using for the squeezing machine. First of all, the molding board will be loaded on the ram, either upward or bottom or top level. For ram will be applied the molding sand on the pattern, around the pattern, in between the molding box, nothing as squeezing machining. And next one, the sand slinger. The molding process performed by using a sand slinger shown in the figure. In this, the pattern is placed on the board, the flask is placed over it. Now the slinger is opened. The slinger has the impeller which can be rotated with the different speed. When the impeller rotates, it will throw the stream of sand at the greater velocity into the flask. Hence, the sand is packed in the flask. The slinger can be moved to pack the sand uniformly around the pattern. The density of sand is controlled by the speed of impeller. In this method, the ramming will be uniformly. Thank you, students. Thank you.